Hi, Ron from Clarity. This short video will show you how your clients can use the customer portal to manage their digital wallet and their invoices. First, we'll log into the payment portal as Aaron from Aaron Fitz Electrical, where customers can self-manage their invoices. In the left navigation, we can manage our personal profile and company account information, our digital address book for our billing addresses for our cards, and our PCI compliant wallet where we store our bank account information for ACH payments or our credit cards. At the top of the content pane, we have our filters where we can search by invoice number, date range, or status of our invoices. Let's go ahead and select and filter by partially paid. We find 2 invoices that have been partially paid. We'll click on View, and we can see the details of the invoice down here, populated from the content from your ERP or any previous payment details. And in our case, you can see the 2 payments we've made and our balance due of $251 and change. We'll opt to make a new payment. Instead of the full amount, we're just going to pay $50. We'll go ahead and select a card on file. In this case, we've turned on CVV requirement, so we'll enter a CVV. We've also turned on our optional surcharge calculation, so we'll calculate our surcharge. We'll submit our payment. Now that our payment's been successfully applied, when it refreshes the screen, you can see in the details we've now got a third payment of $50 that's been applied, and our balance due up top is now $251 down to $201. Thanks for watching.